Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see the history of CapCut templates you viewed before on the mobile apps. So here, if you want to see your history view of the CapCut templates, you can just go to your profile. So click on the Me button and here, and this in your profile there will be this view history that you can select it. So you can just click on this, and these are the view history of my CapCut template. So if you want to use the template, you can just click on the template again and click on the use template button here. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.